This is Phoenix, the extreme concept asphalt paver compactor from Volvo Construction Equipment. The Volvo brands of ABG and Bloor-Knox have built unshakable reputations for quality and innovation since the early days of mechanized asphalt paving in the 1930s. But no one has ever seen the like of Phoenix before. Like the immortal mythical fiery bird that is its namesake, the Phoenix paver excels when the going gets hot. Not only is it fast, flexible and intelligent, it's clean, easy to use and friendly on the environment. While clearly a Volvo, it's almost unrecognizable as a paver. Phoenix radically redraws the traditional profile. In fact, it's much more than just a paver. It's a fully integrated highway paving finishing system. Looking like an earthbound lunar landing craft, Phoenix is a unique creature. Unlike traditional pavers, whose progress is entirely dependent on the sometimes erratic arrival of hot asphalt-filled trucks, Phoenix instead uses Volvo's ingenious pod system. The pods are laid out in front of the approaching Phoenix at predetermined spaces, each super-insulated unit filled with 17 tons of asphalt mix, made from environmentally friendly, quick-curing organic binder. Once emptied of its asphalt, each super lightweight pod collapses automatically into a space-saving compact size, ready for return and recycling to the mixing plant. The operator of the future will no longer be exposed to the elements and will board Phoenix by using the inclined ramp. Once safely seated in air-conditioned comfort, the entire cab can be elevated to give a commanding worksite overview. The cab position can also be altered in height and aspect to suit the needs of the job. Phoenix is now ready to pave. An onboard digital interface allows Phoenix to communicate remotely with the mixing plant and pod haulers, telling them the precise location on the road to place each pod. The operator is then notified of their arrival by a radio frequency identification device fitted to each unit. Pods glide up Phoenix's front loading ramp onto its conveyor system. While this is happening, another pod is discharging its load into the hopper in a seamless, continuous motion. Empty pods are gently deposited via a discharge ramp onto the rapidly cured finished pavement behind. And thanks to the almost silent hydrogen fuel cell drive system, all this happens with the minimum of noise, fumes, or fuss. Once fully loaded, Phoenix's slat conveyors move the paving mix into its auger chamber. Variable pitch, speed and width radial flights distribute the mix laterally to the exact paving width needed, just ahead of Volvo's revolutionary high-density triple-width screed. Data is collected from operating systems in real time, and a heads-up display shows all critical operating information, such as forward speed, paving width, laydown thickness, and relative density across the pavement. Integrated solar-powered arrow boards and reflective striping on the rear panel of each pod shine out, warning road users of their presence and assisting with active work zone safety. Cleverly, Phoenix is also able to paint the road markings as it goes along, allowing traffic to flow immediately once the site is cleared of empty pods. In line with Volvo's core value of environmental care, paving with the Phoenix system incorporates many green technologies, not least the total elimination of emissions or fumes. Large-scale recycling using the Volvo pod system is also a key element of every project. Phoenix may look fantastically futuristic, but its design features are deeply rooted in real engineering potential. Many of the ideas contained in Phoenix are destined to become regular features of road equipment in the decades to come. Phoenix, smooth when the going gets hot.